Hey guys, it's warmed up a tiny bit, and I thought because it's the beginning of the year, it might be fun to do a quick inventory update here. Somebody asked me how many cars I had the other day, and I actually don't know. So let's wander around and give them a rough count and see where we're at here. Well, we'll start number one. 1972 Chrysler Newport. Everybody knows about this car, and that's serving as my winter beater. And it's doing fine. That's a plated car. This is its replacement. That's number two. That's a 1997 Volvo S90 salvage car. Just needs to be put back together. Number three, 1982 Renault 5 daily driver. Don't drive it much in the winter. Those things are pretty rust prone. Number four, of course, our other daily, the 1949 Fraser, currently resting up for next summer's beater duty. And here's number five, 1950 Plymouth P19 two-door sedan. Got that many years ago. Not a plated car, but kind of fun. Six is a 1951 Packard. 7 is a 1951 Hudson. 8 is a 1955 Studebaker. 9 is a 51 Kaiser Special. And number 10 is a I think this is a 53 Nash Ambassador Custom. Number 11, 1961 Plymouth Belvedere two-door hardtop. And number 12 is a 50 Dodge something or other, deluxe or special deluxe or super deluxe, I don't know. Number 13, 1958 Plymouth Savoy two-door hardtop. Number 14, 58 Dodge Regent four-door sedan. Number 15 is a 56 Plymouth Savoy four-door sedan. Number 16 is a 57 Plymouth Plaza four-door sedan. Number 17, 1951 Chevrolet Bel Air two-door hardtop. Number 18 is a 51 Ford Victoria two-door hardtop. We've spent some time with that car this year. Number 19, of course, the 1950 Buick Riviera hardtop. And number 20 is the 1959 Buick that we are working on this winter. Number 21 is a 59 Chrysler Windsor, I think. Right. Number 22, the old sightseeing limo. This is a 1951 Dodge commercial long wheelbase sightseeing car. Yeah, pretty fun. Okay, we're going to call 23 the 1992 Dodge 4x4 here. Right, and inside here we have number 24, 72 Citroen SM. And 25 is the homemade race car project, which we will finish one of these days as soon as all these other cars are finished. Okay, got the first 25 down. Let's see what's number 26. Oh, one of my favorites. It's a 59 Chevy Biscayne. I'm going to write 26 so I don't get lost here. 26. Yes, sorry about the snow, guys. It kind of happens though. Number 27 is the old 1960 Chevrolet Impala two-door hardtop. Number 28 is a 58 Studebaker two-door hardtop. Number 29, somebody asked about this the other day. This is the same car I've had forever. 1950 Chevrolet something deluxe Fleet Line four-door whatever they call it, torpedo back. And okay, that gets us to number 30, 1959 Dodge Viscount Basically a Canadian Plymouth Fury. Number 31 is a 1947 Chrysler. I don't know what model this is. I think it's a Windsor. That's a guess though. Number 32, another Canadian car. This is a Dodge Mayfair, basically the equivalent of a Plymouth Belvedere. It's a two-door hardtop. Pretty cool old car. And number 33, hiding behind all these panels, is a 46 or 7 Kaiser Special. Number 35 is the forklift. Well, we won't count that. Number 35, 1940 Dodge Sedan. Nice running car. Yeah, who knows? We might do something with that one. Number 36, the perennial favorite, 1953 Packard Clipper. I guess we won't count the tractor. And number 37, Peugeot 403, about 1960. Number 38 is another Buick, 1950 Roadmaster sedan. And number 39, 1960 Chevy Biscayne. And we can see number 40 behind here. Number 40 is another Canadian Dodge, 1957 Mayfair 4-door sedan. That's a V8 automatic car. Number 41 and 42 are both Citroën DS station wagons. The front one here is savable and the back one's a parts car. Well, isn't that good that number 43 is a Peugeot 403. Number 44 is the 57 Studebaker sedan, and number 45 is a 1950 Dodge sedan. Number 46 is the old 1972 Plymouth Fury two-door hardtop. Number 47 is a 1957 Dodge Regent two-door hardtop, basically the equivalent of a Plymouth Savoy, and there's a matching one behind there. Both the same, both two-door hardtops, just different colors. So what did I say? 47 and 8. 49 is a 1960 Plymouth Fury four-door hardtop parts car. So we can get a picture of it there. Not very well. That's number 49. Number 50 is the 1959 Buick parts car. That's number 50. I'm not going to count this because there's nothing left of it. Number 51 is a 47 Kaiser Special 4-door sedan parts car that I bought for the Fraser years ago. Car number 52 is a 1941 Plymouth two-door sedan. Good parts car, not much left of it. Car number 53 is a 1980 question mark Renault 5. I think it's about an 84, one of the last ones. Car number 54, where are you? Well, car 54 is a Volvo 960 parts car. Not very exciting. Car number 55 is about a 1970 Citroën DS parts car. Car 56 is a Citroën SM parts car. And car 57, another crunchy Citroën SM. Car 58, of course, one of our favorites, the 1972 Plymouth Sport Suburban wagon. There's 58. Let's go in the barn and see how many we got left. Little French detour here. Okay, well, we'll call this Renault 5. This is a 1982 model. We'll call that car 59. Car 60 is a 1956 Citroën Traction Avant Familiale. 11B or 11B. There's one car behind that wall. It's another Citroën DS. So that would be number 61. Right, into the rest of the garage here. Car number 62. One of my favorites is the 1926 Model T Ford. The always delightful Car 63 1941 Plymouth 4-door sedan. Had this one for probably 10 years now. Very fun. Car 64, or Truck 64, is a 1960 Ford F-250. You can see I've been using it as a bit of a workbench. This truck came with the property. One of these days we're going to get to it. Just got a couple on the list, you know. That's number 64. Number 65 is a 1952 Hudson pacemaker, I believe, possibly 51. I think it's a 52 though. Car 66 should be car 54. 61 Plymouth Belvedere 4-door sedan that I've had since about 1990. Alright, there's car 67, is a 51 Kaiser Special. Pretty savable car. And car 68, oh my god, we're gonna have 70. Car 68 is my Citroen Safari wagon. And that gets us to 68. I think the last time I did a kind of an inventory like this was a few years ago in the summer. Yeah, it's been over 3 years since I counted the cars, so we're learning together today how many cars Scott has. Short answer, probably too many. What do we get up to there? 68? Okay. Finish up with the mostly domestic ones here. Car number 69 is my old Plymouth Fury that I've had since high school. It's a 1967 model Plymouth Fury 2. That's a Canadian only model because in the States a Fury 2 would have been a sedan, not available as a hardtop. Anyway, whatever, that's car number 69. Car number 70, we hit the big 7-0. The 1959 Plymouth Fury. There's number 70. Car 71. Of course, our old Plymouth Fury 1960. All these guys can't wait for spring to get out again, go for a drive. What did I say? 69, 70, 71. There we go, 72 cars. Finishing up with the 37 Chev Master 2-door town sedan. And yeah, another one of my favorites. Just a lovely old thing. Well, there you have it. 72 cars. That's, you know, that's a fair number, I guess. I think it's probably about 10 more than the last time. So I'm really only adding a few a year, so that's not too bad. Some years I buy a lot more than others. We're not doing the complete inventory, just the cars today. Hey guys, thanks for stopping by today, and thanks for checking out the video. It's a little bit too cold to try starting anything up or going for a drive today, so just wanted to wander around, say hi to everybody. Frank is inside staying warm. I did a little work on the Peugeot 403. We did a lot more tearing down on our Buick engine, so we'll be getting together with the boys and going through that. And yeah, I'm filming a few longer term things, so those will be published as they're finished. But just wanted to say hi to everybody and have a terrific afternoon, and we'll see everybody in a couple days. Cheers. Is a regular contributor.
Same old shit.